Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do a tour of the animal room. So Cinnamon, my Nana's snake, is actually not in here. She is in my Nana's room, but that's okay. We just have some stuff right there. Oh, there's a camera, a little mirror, and there's a picture of my nanny. And then over here we have Rocky, my dresser. We have Jerry, the little mouse. Hi, Jerry. We have Molly. Some movies on the ground, a bed, friends, and yeah, that's just basically it. Oh, and there's that little thing, because this actually used to be my room. So yeah, bye guys.